What it do, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Hey, everybody okay? Are you doing okay? Tell me. I really want to know. Actually, I do. So hit me up down in the comments. Let me know what's shaking in your part of this world. Let me know where you're chiming in from. Introduce yourself in the comments. Let me know. Okay. So your girl is up and girl making preparations. I want to make preparations. I have plans this year. It's been my dream to get a kitchen remake, and that's what I really want. So I've already talked to hubby, happy wife, happy life for you, baby. So kitchen designs, I'm looking. Listen, let me show you all the kitchen. Let me show you how it's set up right here, okay? So excuse the mess, excuse the little junk. We had a good time last night. It was Maddie's pre-celebration of her birthday because y'all know my girl's turning 19 next week. But she's getting braces, so she ain't gonna be able to pig out and hang out and stuff that we know of. She may be okay. I don't know. She may be okay. But this is the kitchen right now. And we have a galley kitchen. Now, it's not extremely narrow. However, it is definitely, smaller than, if you have an island in the kitchen and all that, but actually not. But my plan is the refrigerator to the far right at the end there. I wanted it moved over here by the sink in this little area right here. I really do. I don't know what color. So let's just explore some kitchen ideas and y'all let me know which one you think will work or colors. Of course, we have our family room area in the far back there and we painted it a salmon color, but I'm really thinking about making this all cohesive, like a color of either gray cabinets. I want black granite countertops, perhaps. I don't know, like a gray and black with a splash of red. I wanted it kind of fun, but yet, stylish and updated. So let me know what y'all think and tell me what you think will work based upon some of the things that I have been researching and looking at. I do want the floors redone as well. We do have a few broken tiles, quite visible coming through the laundry room area there. And this little opening here will be closed up right above the sink. So all of that will be closed in. And let me know what y'all think. I really want to know, because I'm super excited to get the change done. So let me know. Drop it down in the comments and tell me which one you like the best. I am still looking. Of course, I got to make some money to make it all happen. So listen, watch this whole video. Help me out. Watch the ads. Tell me what you think will work for our little home here, because really I do want it, really want it bad. And of course the house was built in the 50s, so it's super outdated when it comes to the kitchen, and to have, oh my gosh, a different kitchen would be super exciting. But anywho, check these out. All right, beautiful babes, I'm counting on y'all to let me know which one you think is the one for your girl. And I will be exploring ideas. I will show y'all more things that I've been looking at. And eventually I will, once I get closer to the goal of actually being able to do it, I will definitely let y'all see what my thoughts are when it comes to that. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please share your girl with your world. I'll see ya. Bye.